Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create a Maven project in Visual Studio Code. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So assume that you already have Visual Studio Code downloaded and have the app opened up. What you want to do is you want to go to the Explorer section at the top left and then go to Create Java Project. So Maven will be built under Java. So when you click on this, you will find Maven project. Click on Maven, and then you want to select the archetype. This is very up to you what you are building, but for this video, I would just put no archetype to create a basic Maven project. So you want to input the group ID for your project. Let's say I want to put my first Maven project, and you want to hit enter to confirm. You can also input the artifact ID, or also known as the project name. I can hit enter, and I'm gonna save it in the folder that I want to. And you will see that the Maven project has been created under this folder. You just have to go to that folder and then open the project in a Visual Studio Code. But that is how you can create a Maven project in Visual Studio Code. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.